I got the sweats and then my tongue went numb. When I was calling Ralph, they all began to laugh, so I wiped my mouth, took another pinch. And when I got that buzz, they saw how cool I was. My lower lip was sticking out an inch. And I spit all over town, but my teeth have all turned brown. My lower gum and lips an open sore. I'm hooked on shredded leaf, I'm buying by the sleeve. I turned into a backer dipping whore. Streets made of winter green, the devil's nicotine. With water towns and rural counties back. You may think it's hip, but I don't want your lip. Dipping has become the country crack. My pipe's my lower lip, my track marks on my hip, a ring of the back pocket of my jeans. I'll rob and kick your ass. If I'm short of cash, I'll get by any necessary means. Just like with other drugs, swept underneath the rugs are the children who are always hardest hit. If you think no or maybe, hold a country crack baby. Instead of sucking, all they do is spit. Stand winter green, the devil's nicotine. With water towns and rural counties back. You may think it's hip, but I don't want your lip. Dipping has become the country crack. Wish I could just back out of my country crack house with bottles, cups, and cans all in the way. I should have just said no when they offered me that skull, but instead I think I'll sue and make them pay. Oh, that barrel of winter green, the devil's nicotine, water towns and rural counties back. You may think it's hip, but I don't want your lip. Even has become the country crack, country crack, country crack, country crack. Just say no to country crack. Dr. Demento put this one on his album and got this whole thing started. They queued up on weekends